Yeah, Steven, that dash turned out good, didn't it?
Yeah, but I feel like it's still missing something.
What the? Again?
I feel like it's a Britney Spears song.
You guessed it, guys. We're doing more dash flocking on the RX-8. Like I said, guys, we are doing more flocking to the dash today on the RX-8. Steven, for the viewers at home, tell people exactly what flocking is.
All right, flocking is just the process of adding small fibers to an object, in our case a dash. What you need is just like these small, it's like suede, it'll end up feeling like a suede material, just really small powder type fibers. The glue, usually the color of your flock, and then a little, I guess they call it a flocking gun. Put the flock in here and puff it onto the glue until it sticks, and it'll give it like a suede appearance once it's done.
All right, Steven, which part are we flocking today?
Today we're going to be flocking the instrument top, cluster top, and then this other panel here that runs down and around. So to take this out, there's 2 screws that come up from the bottom behind here. The actual instructions, you're supposed to take this trim piece off. I went ahead and done some pre-work and already removed the 2 screws. So all I got to do is pull on this to remove this dash. You're supposed to have the battery disconnected whenever you're doing all this as well. So that is something you will want to do. And it's in there pretty tight. Clips hold it really well. And it sounds like you're going to break some stuff. There it goes. Now on the back side of this, there's a couple connectors for your actual instrument cluster. Just disconnect those. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. And then there's the instrument cluster out. And now I'll have to get a couple of screws, it looks like, and work on getting this piece out. All right, so I went and grabbed a screwdriver, a couple trim tools that I have. Screwdrivers, looks like 2 screws here. I'll take these out. Set these to the side, and then it's gonna be trying to pop this free. Oh, just like that. As you can see, it all released at once. There we go. And that's that trim panel. Now, obviously, I'll take this fin out and this before I flock it, but they just push out from the back side. Fairly simple. Alright guys, I got everything out of the car set up here. I got me a plastic, catch all this extra flock that's going to be flying around. Went ahead and removed the 2 pieces out of the trim piece that I said I was going to. And then on this instrument cluster here, I'm going to actually tape a line down the front side here and cover up this front because I don't want any glue to get on this or anything like that. That could damage my actual cluster. And then we'll just, of course, just flock this top side. So let's get on with the taping. Once that's done, we'll start with the glue. And I need a screwdriver.
And this is my favorite part.
Alright, that's it for putting the flock on. It takes about 15 hours to dry, so we'll be back tomorrow once it dries. The one thing I did want to mention was all this flock that is left on the table, part of the reason why I put the plastic down, this stuff can be reused. This whole flocking kit that I've got, if you haven't watched the other video, we have the passenger side. All of this is done with the same kit. So Brian's going to link that down in the description. So you'll be able to find this actual flocking kit. And you can actually do several pieces with the same kit. So we'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, buddy, how'd it turn out? Oh yeah. Top notch. Fire, fire. Alright guys, we're back. We let it cure for about 14, 15 hours. And now, time to reinstall them back in there. So, let's get started. Guys, real quick, he might tell you the story one day, but today we're here with the legendary hairbrush Hanaway. Now, when Ryan's comfortable, he's going to tell you all that story. Not today. One day, he will tell you that story. Ready to put this back in?
Yeah, so as Brian was saying, we let this sit overnight, and I think it turned out pretty damn good. We're just going to put it back in.
All right, guys, the fast forward begins now. dash looks so killer now, guys. Like, I personally thought flocking would be difficult, but it's really not at all after watching Steven do it. So, anybody wanting to give this a shot, my advice for you is to buy the kit linked in the description box below and just go for it like Steven did, man. Like I said, the last video we did, this was Steven's first time doing this, and I mean, it looks incredible.
Looks like we did it again.
Oops.
Oops.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video of us doing more flocking on Steven's dash. There will be more videos to come on this RX-8. So like I said, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you all next time. Oh, bam. That was a fail.
I was like, why are you punching it?